Namaste everybody. In this video I will explain you about ETL developer career path roadmap, what are the skills required and what is the eligibility criteria. First, my disclaimer. In this video I am only explaining you the overview of ETL developer career, but I won't say that ETL developer does the same things. No, it completely depends from company to company, project to project, requirement to requirement. This is just an overview educational video so that you understand the career well. Now ETL, it is a process where data is extracted, it is transformed and then it is loaded in the destination data warehouses. That process is called as ETL. ETL jobs are usually created by companies which uses huge data, which has huge data, very big data. That kind of companies, they hire or they have this ETL professionals or ETL teams which works on the extraction, transform and loading processes. What kind of data, what kind of companies will have huge data? I'll give you an example. Let us assume one IT company. IT company has many different departments like HR department, accounts department, marketing department, sales department, operations department, software department, different departments, right? In each of these departments, different teams will be working. These teams works on different softwares. For example, HR teams work on different software, accounts team will work on different ERP software, sales team works on different software. So all the departments will work on different ERPs or CRM or any different kind of softwares, right? So when they are working on these softwares, lot of data is created, lot of data gets generated. Now what this company does is they hire ETL developers or they hire ETM professionals. These ETL professionals will collect the data from different sources. HR team software, sales team software, accounts team software. These are the sources, I would say. These are only example sources for your understanding. I'm telling in this way. So from different sources, the data is collected. Unnecessary data is removed. Useful data is converted into the required format. There, after conversion, wherever it is required in the database or data warehouses, these data is uploaded in that particular destination. So this is the main role of a ETL developer. Now to become a ETL developer, what are the skills required? Very first important skill is this: ETL developer should know some ETL tools. Why ETL tools are required to learn? Because they will be doing all these activity, ETL, extraction, transform and loading, with the help of some tools only. Best example is Informatica Talent. These are the very high in demand tools in Indian market. So as of today, Informatica Talent are very high in demand for ETL processes. ETL tool understanding or hands-on experience on these tools is definitely required. Second skill set I would say is good knowledge or good expertise in SQL or any database. The candidate should have good knowledge, good expertise in that particular database, writing scripts and all queries and all those things. Next thing is this: the ETL developer should also have good knowledge about data warehousing and data modeling and everything about data, database knowledge and database concepts and all those stuff. This person should also be get updated with the latest technologies in ETL, what is happening in ETL industry, ETL technology. So this candidate should have good knowledge about all these things. So this is the basic technical skills I have explained you. Apart from these technical skills, if the candidate has very good communication skills also, that is an added advantage. So these are the skills I have explained. Who are the right person or right people to take this ETL career as their career? Most of the multinational companies, I would say, they pick or they hire candidates who are from computer science background. BTech, BE computer science or BSc computer science, BCA, these kind of background candidates are given first preference by the multinational companies. But there are exceptional cases also. There are very rare situations also where a non-computer science background candidate are also selected for ETL developer job roles. Now see, please understand here, if a candidate who is not from computer science background but he has exceptional skills in ETL tools, he has exceptional skills in writing queries. Definitely that kind of people, that kind of candidates, depending on their skill set, they are selected or they are given chance by the company, software companies or IT companies also. So mainly if you are from a computer science background person, then plus that is an added advantage for you. But if you are a non-computer science graduate, then I would say focus on your skills, work better than the computer science graduates, then definitely you will have very good future. You will get selected in the ETL job roles very easily. So but graduation is must, I would say. Most of the companies, they will hire graduates only. This is the eligibility criteria. What will be the salaries in Indian market depending on the company? Depending from company to company, depending from city to city, the salaries will vary. In Hyderabad kind of cities, the salary will be, I would say their salary can range from 4 lakhs rupees to 6 lakhs rupees per annum. So that is again depends from city to city. In Bangalore, the salaries will be different. In Pune, the salaries will be different. In Hyderabad, the salaries are different. So this is about ETL developer job role. What will be the growth or how will be the growth in the future? Definitely, because this job role, it depends on the data part, and you know data is the fuel in business. So because the ETL developers work on a very crucial part of the business, that is data. So next 10 years also, this job role will see a very good growth in the market. The demand for ETL developers is only going to rise, or it will only become high and high day by day. So this is a very good job role, very good career. If you are interested, let me know if you are learning any ETL tool in the comment section of this video. What do you think about ETL as a career? Let me know in the comment section of this video. If you like my explanation, if you like my ideas about, or my concept, my points in this video, please click the like button. If you are watching this video for the first time, please click the subscribe button, and if you are only watching and not have subscribed, please do subscribe, and don't forget to click the small bell icon also. My name is Sushmita and you are watching my English channel Sushmita Madhu. Thank you so much and namaste.